What's up everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an Android app for free using the kodular.io website. Kodular.io is a great platform that allows you to create Android applications using the drag and drop method without the need to know any code or to use any code. So if you do not have an experience with coding, kodular.io is a great platform that you can use to start creating your Android app and then publish them to the Google Play Store. So let's get to it. First, you'll need to go to the website kodular.io here, and from there you want to go to modules, and you want to right click on my Kodular here and then open the link in a new tab. And in the new tab you will get the option to sign in if you have already an account, or sign up to create a new account on Kodular, and then confirm it using your email. So you can create your account by email, or you can create it with Google and other platforms. And then once you create your account, go back to this screen and then start creating the app. So as you can see here, I'm on the my Kodular page. I'm signed in to my account here, and now we can start creating. So click on create apps right here, and here you have the option to import project or create a new project. Let's click on create project, and let's enter the project name. So my test project. Okay, let's name it test, so that it's only one word, and then click next. The app name, the full theme, and package name, primary color, and so on. So we'll leave them as they are right now. So you can use the primary colors that can be used for your app. We'll leave them as default, and let's click on finish. Now they are getting things ready, and they will open your app in the editor. Okay, the Kodular Premium, we do not want to see it right now. So here you have like a simple view of your app on like a mobile phone here, on Android phone. And you have here your components. You can add components to your screens, and here you have the screens and the common properties for the screen. So here you can add, as I told you, you can add elements, different elements, and they will appear here on the screen, and you can choose the mobile phone on which you want your app to look on. So first of all, here, let's add components here to our main screen. So we'll go to the search. We will want to add a web viewer component. So let's search for web viewer. Okay, and let's drag and drop it here right on the screen. And here you want to, in the home URL, you want to paste your URL, your main web page URL. So for the sake of this video, let's type in like google.com. However, you should write your own home URL or your own web page. So, and then you want to uncheck zoom display and zoom enabled, and then you are good to go. Now here we want to add a notifier component. So let's type in notifier and then drag and drop it here as well. Now, as you can see here on the main screen, nothing has changed and nothing is added here, because we want to go, in order to see here these components, we want to go to the blocks view. So let's go to the blocks view right now to see them. And in the blocks view here, let's click on screen 1, and you'll see here the different blocks that we can add here to our screen page. So, and we want to drag and drop this component right here. And then we want to scroll up and click on control, and we want to add this component. If then, we want to add it right here, and click on the setting icon, and else if. Next, click on logic and add this component right here. No, you want to add it to the if here. Now we want to click on web viewer, scroll down, and you want to add this component right here. And then we want to go to text and scroll up, add this component right here. So as you can see, it's basically drag and drop operations to create the backbone of the app. And in here, you want to type your URL. So as we said, for the sake of this video, we'll type in google.com right here. Now we want to go here to the notifier, and I'm going to scroll down a bit, and we want to drag this component right here, and then scroll up to the text, scroll up, drag this text notifier component right here, and drag it here, and in the text here type in can't go back. Okay, now we want to go to notifier, scroll down, and here we want to add this component right here. Okay, and now we want to go to text and drag this simple text component right here, and then we want to Control C, Control V 3 times here to add them to the remaining 3 slots right here. Now in the message, let's say, do you want to exit? Question mark. The title, let's say exit. And here the button text one, let's say yes. I'll leave the button 2 text blank as it is. Now let's go to web viewer and scroll down and drag this component right here. You can go back in the else if, and then click on web viewer another time, and then drag this one, the go back. Then so what we done is basically created like a simple app where you can open to view your web page, and when you click on a component or on like a link in the web page, and then you want to go back to the main page, once you click on the back icon on your Android phone, it will get you back to the previous or the main page, the home page of the app, or the in this case the website, without closing the app. So if we didn't set up this like simple like map or components, the app won't show or will not go back to the main page. It will close once we click on the back icon. Now let's go to notifier one more time, and let's click on this component. The after choosing, let's drag it in a like empty area, and then click on notifier once again. Now let's scroll up, click on control, and drag an if then block, drag it right here. Now we want to go to logic and drag this logic, the equal one, drag it right here, and let's go here to variables. We want to drag the get block right here, drag it here, drop it here, and in the drop down we want to click on choice, so we get choice. Now we want to go to the CS block here. We want to copy it, Control C, then Control V, and drag the duplicate one and drop it right here. Now we want to go to control and then scroll down, drag a close application block and drop it right here, so that you can close the application once you click on the S icon. Once you go back from the application to close it, it will like display a message. So do you want to exit? If we click yes, the application will be closed. Now we are done here in the blocks view. Let's go back to designer, and then we are ready to export our simple application. So we've created like a very simple application where it displays once you open it on your Android phone homepage, it'll display your URL, and once you go to a component on your website or click on a link on your website, it'll open this link, and once you go back, it will go back, and once you click back again, it will ask you if you want to close the app. So here we can export our project. So we can click here on export. We can export it as an APK or an Android app bundle, AAB. So we will export it as an APK for now. And now it's creating the project. Okay, now we can download the APK or copy the link or scan this URL, this QR code to download it. So you can click here to download the APK, and now it's downloading, as you can see. Now, in order to publish this app on Google Play Store, you need to create a Play Console or a Google Play Console account. So we can open a new tab and then search for Play Console. Okay. to the Google Play console here. Now let's click on the link. Now you want to create an account on Google Console. So you want to sign up for Google Console account or Google Play console account. And once you create your Google Play console account and you are verified, you can publish your apps on the Google Play Store. And once your app is approved, it can be published on Google Play Store and people are able to download it. So that is basically how easy it is to create an Android or a simple Android app on kodular.io platform and publish it on Google Play Store.